This is the Little Giant adding machine. It was invented by John Pfeiffer in 1928. He also invented a sealed tomb door to keep out moisture and vermin. In 1900, Pfeiffer formed the Champion Cash Register Company that produced cash registers. Not like this one. Here's the ones he produced. The Little Giant also has cash register lines. Now the history gets a bit fuzzy here, but it appears that Pfeiffer was so busy with another company, Springfield Auto Lock, that he licensed his patent to the Dayton Friction Toy Company. The adding machine made their toy catalog of 1929, but they closed their doors in 1935. I think the people at the defunct Dayton Friction Toy Company wanted to continue to sell the adding machine, so they contracted Kel-San, a company that made commercial fans. The Kel-San adding machine started showing up soon thereafter. The decals of Kel-San and Dayton Friction are virtually identical, so they must have had some relationship. Kel-San added a wooden case to legitimize it a little bit. Some have decals and others have plaques, like mine. No big deal. I don't know when they added the plaque, but I guess it was probably the same time they added the name Little Giant. So, this is the Little Giant. It was a simple adding machine. There's no complement numbers for subtraction. It stored energy, so carrying all 5 numbers is not difficult at all. Although when you start to get up to the higher numbers, you can feel the springs resisting just a little bit more. There's also no reset, so the numbers need to be reset each individual column starting from right to left. The little tabs have a red paint on them to indicate which tab is the one you need to reset it with, and that takes some of the brain power out of it. It's definitely loud. Removing the wooden case reveals that it's held together with tabs, which discourages taking it apart to look at the mechanics. Although from the patents and other devices similar, it's not hard to imagine what the inside looks like. It's a little stronger than tin, so it's not as cheap feeling as you would expect from some of the other stamped metal adding machines. It's easy to think of this device as a toy, and it certainly started out that way. But there were plenty of similar adding machines before and after that were marketed towards adults. Plus, how many toys have such a classy copper-colored paint? Thanks for watching.